All right, guys, so today we're just gonna do like our little 2021 recap, and it'll be a little POV video because I got some things I gotta do and I don't have time to sit down and do it otherwise. So let's get to it. Let's recap Darius Buildz for 2021. So I would like to start off by saying thank you for all of my subscribers. I do appreciate y'all, because without y'all, the channel wouldn't grow. This year, which is 2021 is my first full year of doing YouTube. I think I had a couple of videos that did pretty good, and this year I introduced mini bike videos, mini bike and ATV stuff, go-kart stuff with my son and my little mini bikes and stuff. So I kind of introduced that to the channel because that's something that I like to do. And just like with the Mazda 6 stuff, it helps someone. It may only help a couple of people, and at the end of the day, if it helps just one person, that's all that really matters to me. Because I mean, it takes a lot of work. Recording these videos adds 60%, 70% to the time that it takes. So I just could have did it without recording it. So I understand why people don't do it, because it does take a lot of time. But this year, I did some cosmetic stuff to the car. I did a bunch of maintenance to the car because the car right now is at 176,000 miles. So it's just time to kind of do maintenance and upkeep to keep the car going. And I feel like a lot of these cars, since they're now 6, 7 years old, they're starting to need the maintenance on them. So I feel like those videos have really been helpful for people, just maintaining the car that they have. One big thing I feel like I did there was nothing out there, and I really want to do it to help people in the future, were the rear camber arms. Other than little write-ups and maybe 1 or 2 write-ups on the forum, it was like no video help. And I feel like a lot of people are visual learners. They want to visually see what they're getting into before they do something. So I feel like the rear camber arm install video was probably one of the biggest helps in the future for people who start getting into these cars. They lower the cars, they want to add camber, take away camber with the camber arms, especially if they're doing the job themselves, because this car seems to be an oddball on the install that you have to lower the rear subframe to get the bolt out. So I feel like that video was definitely a big accomplishment for people who watch the channel. I just need you guys to subscribe when you see something that you like, because more than likely, if you're watching my videos, you have a 3rd gen Mazda 6, so why not see when I post new stuff that pertains to the car that you're driving? So hey, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there for me. And of course, this year, I also installed the Airlift 3H ride height sensors, and from my understanding, in my research that I've done, I'm still the only 3rd gen Mazda 6 that has the Airlift 3H sensors. And for 2022, I don't know, I have a couple of things planned for 2022, but one project that I really do want to do, why is this doing this, is I want to order the rear diffuser for my car. The rear diffuser is carbon fiber, but I'm sure it's some cheap stuff. It's not real carbon fiber. But it's already built for the quad tips, and I love my quad tips. I love how my quad tips look. So I'm thinking I'm going to order that, and if I go ahead and order it now, it'll be here like sometime in February. And let me see, February. In March, I'm going to Marietta, Georgia for a Southern Fresh 9. So I really like to have it installed by then, because I feel like the rear diffuser is going to wrap up the rear end of the car, and I'll probably be done with cosmetic stuff once I get my rear diffuser done. But it's going to be one of the first things I do for 2022. Really, I need to clean the car really good. The car interior wise needs to be fully detailed. The exterior of the car needs to be clay barred. It needs to be corrected. The paint, to me, is not in terrible shape, but it's not in good shape. Like in my eyes, my paint is about a 5 or a 6. It needs some work done to it, and I just need to just buckle down and just spend 10 hours and just clean the car really well. Before I go to Marietta, Georgia, it's going to get cleaned very well. What I'm going to do in 2022, I don't know. I feel like it's going to be more mini bike content than actual car content. more mini bike, more off-roading, just kind of enjoying what I've built. So, you know, it may be less Mazda 6 DIY stuff and more of just kind of going to car shows, hanging out with friends, stuff like that. Because, you know, like I said, the car, I've done roughly everything to it. I definitely do need to do a new walk around mod video for the car. I think it has been a year and a half, or going on a year and a half since the last walk around video. But other than that, the car's just, it is what it is. You know, 2021 was a good productive year. Got a lot of stuff done. I got cosmetic stuff on the 6 done. Got a lot of maintenance stuff done on the car. I bagged my boy Orlando's car, and I can put the video up here. I did a 2-part video. I did his trunk setup, and then I bagged his car, and he arrived at my house at 12 o'clock, and 10:30 he was on his way home. Other than that, the car's running good. Everybody who said that when I used the AC Delco transmission fluid with the lube tech that my trans was gonna mess up, baby, I'm at 13,000 miles, and this transmission feels just as good as what it felt when I bought the car at 53,000 miles. So for all you Reddit people and Facebook people that say that my transmission was gonna be trash, it ain't trash. It's running just fine. So, you know, don't be scared to accept something if you don't have no idea what you're talking about. It'll be okay. And that's why I make these videos, so I can give people alternatives. Listen to that transmission with that AC Delco and that lube guard in there, keeping everything lubricated and working correctly. With that being said, I'd like to thank y'all for a wonderful 2021, and we're going to kick off 2022 in the same faction. Y'all come back, y'all come see my videos, y'all subscribe to my channel. That way when a new video is uploaded, you will be notified. Ring that bell, ding ding ding, notification, and y'all get notified my content drops. Like it, share it, subscribe, comment, do all that lovely stuff. Until next time, I appreciate you all. Y'all have a well, Christmas is gone. Hope you had a Merry Christmas. Hope you have a Happy New Year. Thank you for coming to my Darius Talk. Also, if you have any ideas for videos or content y'all would like to see, by all means, leave me a comment and let me know, and I can try to get it worked in if it's feasible. You know, if you like this style, this POV type video and stuff, let me know. I try to work it in. You know, I drive an hour to work 3-4 days a week now, so y'all just let me know. I can work them in. Give me some topics, some subjects. You know, maybe do like a little 10-minute video or something like that. But for the last time, till the next time, peace. Thank you for 2021.